glass. Glass. Made of plaque.
Hug.
Hug.
Yes, hug.
Hug.
Yes, that's a hug.
What's that?
Hey, Apollo, what's that made of?
Glass.
Take your beak. Right there. What's that made of?
Cool. Oil.
This is wood. What's that made of? Hey, Apollo, what's that made of?
Glass.
Yeah, what's that made of?
Glass.
What's this made of? Apollo, what's that made of?
Glass.
No, what's that made of? You want some whipped cream? You want to try some whipped cream? No.
We lost a girl.
What's going on outside, Apollo?
Glass.
Water.
Metal.
Water falling outside. Oh, you're getting really excited, Apollo.
Metal.
That's glass.
Metal. 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 Bell. That's a bell. A bell. That's a sack. A sack?
Apollo. Hello. Peekaboo. Apollo. Oh, peekaboo. What's what?
Axe. Glass.
That's wood.
Glass.
No, that's made of wood.
Glass.
There is nothing glass right there, Apollo.
I know. Oh, oh. All right, ready?
What's that? Come on. Sit up. What's this? Clock.
Get the other one a little bit.
Ow, ow. Okay, she's done. Made of plastic.
Oh.
Plastic.
Oh.
What are the keys made of? What are these made of?
Made of plaque?
Alright, we're back, Apollo. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. You want to step up? That would be nice. You want to step up? You want to come out? Burp. Apollo. You did it. Finally. For the first time. There was a nice little tray for these. There it is now.
Glass. 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 Glass.
Now what? There you go. Now twist it. Or twist it just. No, don't bite. What's it made of? Oh.
What's that made of, Apollo? Hey, Apollo, what's that made? He's running off with it. What's this made of?
Metal. It's metal. 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 You want fresh water?
You want fresh water?
You want fresh water?
Oh, yes, you do.
What's that? This is a straw. What's it made of? What's it made of?
Metal.
Be nice. You gotta be nice, Apollo. Go slow. There you go. You grabbed the feather a little too hard, Apollo. You gotta be more gentle. I know, you're trying to learn how to do it. Hello, Soleil. Shouldn't you be protecting your sister? Or is Apollo not that scary anymore? Touch. 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 All right, Apollo. That was good. That was good. Let's end it on a good note. Hey, Apollo, look. Here, step up. Come on. Good bird. Good bird. Let's end that on a good note. You don't want to end on a bad note. There we go.
Glass.
Oh, big dance. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good big dance. You see the fire? Crazy bird? I know. You want to come outside. You gotta put your harness on. Alright, Apollo, do you want to earn the pistachio? You gotta get 4 right. Alright, you gotta do 4 questions. What's that made of?
Glass.
That's right, made of glass. Good bird. All right, 3 more for the pistachio. What's this made of?
Metal.
That's right, made of metal. Good job, Apollo. All right, what color is this?
Purple.
That's right, color purple. Good job. All right, what is that made of?
Paper.
That's right, made of paper. Good bird, Apollo. That was really good. Good bird. What's going on, Apollo?
What's this?
That's the window.
Glass.
Yeah, it's made of glass. Good bird. Doing your dance. That's the big dance. Big dance. Rubbing the perch. Oh, what's that made of? You're just banging the window.
Glass.
Yes.
Axe.
Plastic.
Oil.
That's the wall. What's this called?
Oil.
No, what's this called?
It's a bell.
That's right, it's a bell. Good bird. All right, 2 more, you get a pistachio. What is this made of? What's this made of?
Metal.
Yes, good bird. All right, 1 more, you get the pistachio. What color?
Red.
Yes, color red. Good bird.
Suck. Suck. Suck.
Hello. 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 What's this called?
There's a bell.
No, what's this called?
Clock. What?
No, 1 more try. I know it's hard. What's this?
Paper.
That's close. It might even be made of paper, but this is called a plant. What's this? Oh, pistachio? Tell me, what's this called?
What?
No.
Paper. Metal. What? Purple. Red.
Plant. Plants. What's this called?
Metal. What?
No. Plants. Soleil, come here. Come here. Oh, good bird. You almost fell, but you got it. Good. All right. Ophelia, come here. Oh. Oh, you messed up. Step up. Here, try again, Ophelia, with a little lighter distance. Step down. No, you didn't do it. All right. Come here.